Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about these little pockets that we did and how we do them. I already did one short little video a while back, but I'm going to do a little more in depth on this one and just show you how you can use them. I did the garland here and just strung them together. Then we have some brighter colors here. You can fold the bottoms up to make it like a little pocket. So let's just get to it. So what you really need doing this project is an exact square. So let's say you find a piece of paper that you have that isn't. So what I'm going to do is turn it over, fold the one side up, fold it down, and I know this is an exact square. So now all I'm going to do is just cut this piece off. Okay, so now you've got your square. What I do is the outside is what you're going to put onto the bottom. And you're going to bring it up so it becomes a triangle. Just fold it like that. And once again, you're going to have a triangle here, and you want a nice triangle at the top. So fold it there. Same with the other side. And I said this is fun and fast. It's really fun, really fast. What I do now is I just staple this little corner just to hold it. If you wanted it enclosed, you could fold it all down like that. But I usually want it open, so I'm going to fold the front this way, turn it over, fold the back this way. If you have double-sided paper, you would see two different colors, like some of these other ones I did. But for this, you could stamp something, put a tag on it, whatever you would like. On the garland, I did animals and strung it. This might be fun to do 5 rows of 5 and make it an advent calendar for Christmas and just have numbers using whatever paper you would like. If your paper is really, really thin, just use 2 pieces of paper and fold it up and voila, you're done.